Have you ever wondered what's the secret behind a plant's ability to grow throughout its life? It's all thanks to a unique type of tissue known as meristematic tissue. This tissue is not just any ordinary tissue, it's a powerhouse of active cell division, serving as the engine that drives a plant's continuous growth. Now you may be thinking, what exactly is this meristematic tissue? Well, it's the region in a plant where cell division is constantly taking place. This process contributes to the plant's growth in two key dimensions: length, which we call primary growth, and thickness, referred to as secondary growth. So what makes meristematic tissue so special? It's its ability to continuously divide and produce new cells. This unique characteristic is what enables plants to grow unceasingly, from the time they're mere seedlings until they become towering trees. So, the secret to a plant's endless growth lies in these special cells, the meristematic tissue, ATIC. Now, you might be thinking, what sets meristematic tissue apart from other plant tissues? Well, the crux of the matter lies in their exclusive traits. Meristematic tissues are like the maestros of a symphony, conducting the symphony of plant growth. These tissues stand out for their ability to divide and differentiate incessantly. This constant division is akin to a never-ending dance, a dance that gives birth to various types of cells, but that's not all. Meristematic tissues are also distinguished by their lack of intercellular spaces. This means that they are tightly packed, like a crowd at a buzzing concert, leaving no room for gaps. This characteristic allows them to make the most of their space, maximizing efficiency. And have you ever seen a bustling city at night full of vibrant lights? That's what the inside of a meristematic tissue looks like. They are packed with dense cytoplasm and prominent nuclei, making them a hub of activity. And where can you find these tissues? They are the explorers of the plant world, found in regions such as the tips of roots and shoots, known as apical meristems. They are also found in the cambium layer, referred to as lateral meristems, and the areas of injury known as intercalary meristems. These unique characteristics make meristematic tissues the building blocks of plant growth. But how exactly does meristematic tissue contribute to plant development? You might ask. Let's dive in. Meristematic tissue, the unsung hero of plant growth, plays an essential role in the development of plants. One of the most fascinating abilities of meristematic cells is their capacity to differentiate into all other types of plant tissue. Yes, you heard it right. They can become anything a plant needs. Picture this: the vascular tissue, which is responsible for transporting water, nutrients, and sugars throughout the plant, is all thanks to meristematic cells. These cells differentiate into the xylem and phloem, the plant's lifelines, ensuring it has everything it needs to survive and thrive. Then we have the ground tissue, composed of parenchyma, collenchyma, and sclerenchyma. These tissues are the plant's workforce, responsible for photosynthesis, storage, and providing mechanical support. And guess what? They all originate from meristematic tissue. Finally, the plant's protective shield, the dermal tissue, also owes its existence to meristematic cells. These cells differentiate into the epidermis and periderm, creating a protective barrier against the outside world, much like our skin. Through this differentiation process, meristematic tissue allows for the creation of all the diverse structures within a plant, from the delicate leaves to the sturdy roots. This incredible versatility makes meristematic tissue the cornerstone of plant development. From a tiny seed to a towering tree, every part of a plant owes its existence to the tireless work of meristematic tissues. So, we've unraveled the secret behind a plant's growth: the meristematic tissue. This dynamic tissue, residing in the tips of roots and shoots, holds the key to a plant's development. Its unique characteristics, being undifferentiated, dividing continuously, and having a high rate of metabolism, make it a powerhouse of growth. Remember, it's the meristematic tissue that enables plants to grow taller, wider, and even recover from injuries. Its cells, ever young and ever dividing, play a crucial role in giving a plant its shape, size, and ability to adapt. This fundamental biological concept is not just a cornerstone of plant biology, but also of our understanding of life and growth. The meristematic tissue, in its simplicity and complexity, teaches us about the remarkable resilience and adaptability of nature. Next time you see a plant, remember, it's the meristematic tissue working behind the scenes, driving the plant's growth and development. Until next time, keep exploring the fascinating world of biology.